Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex Slow. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. So it's Monday, yes. What's really happening? I think this week we don't really have much, but today, as you can see, is that day where we're gonna have PMIs until the end of the day. So we already had like GBP and Europe. And I think these economies are actually slowing down. Manufacturing is actually going down, guys. Europe, Britain, they are also going down. Maybe that will have a good effect on the inflation, but manufacturing, guys, if it's going down, it's not really good. If you saw from Germany, VW, it's closing some of its manufacturing plants or factories or companies and stuff like that. So that doesn't really look good. So if you check some stocks, you will see that in Germany things are not going very well. Britain, I think Chinese companies are smashing German companies, especially on the motor vehicle side. Or let's say electric cars from China, they are actually way too good to a point that other companies, they're not actually going to survive that, you see. But is it bad or it's good? I think it's good. It's not really bad. Just because some companies are struggling doesn't really mean that it's actually bad, because they're just offering a good competition, you see. So anyways, from Tuesday, we have interest rates from Australia, consumer confidence from the US. Powell is going to speak on Thursday. Friday, we have core PCE. So this is also going to be great for us. So especially for us who trade the likes of Nasdaq and all, you see. So now on the market, guys, I forgot. We have a nice special for everyone until month end. Until month end, you can join our lifetime signals for only $59 until this Sunday. So we left with actually 7 days. So actually, let me show you that this is going to be the new prices. So we're not going to use the older prices. So if you want to smash the market with us, pause that video, scan that QR code, or just WhatsApp me and start to be part of our team. So let's gather here together so that we can eat together. So lifetime signals means that you are just going to pay once, and the actual price is actually $99. So which means you're saving like $39, right? So as you can see, we are already on GBP, JPY. What's really happening? I like the structure here, but I think maybe I can just go on a daily time frame and just to see, so that I think it's very clean. I think it's very clean on a daily time frame. So this is what we have. We can see that we are coming from a very proper uptrend structure. Then we broke out of that. So one way or another, we are on a downtrend structure. So we expect the market to continue going down. And where we are now, we can easily see that the market tried to come back and test this resistance. You can see we had this resistant area. So that to us, it should be obvious that we can have a trade going down. I think we already have a sell pending order ready to take on this. I think the market already touched that. I think we did take that sell. So yeah, I think this can be a very nice sell, especially we saw PMIs not performing very well on GBP and Europe. Let me show you that. You can see them here. GBP, just look at that. We were expecting, forecast was expecting 53, 52 here. They missed that. This might give us a nice push to the downside, right? So yeah, that's why we also on this nice sell. So later on, maybe or tomorrow, the market might be around this level. This is possible. Or maybe the market might just play around, but at the end of the day, we are on a very nice downtrend structure. I hope that makes sense. So let's push to the next one, which is USD JPY. The structure, even here, we are on a very nice downtrend structure coming from a proper uptrend. You can see that. So we expect the market to continue going even lower. We can see that this was a very long bullish move. Remember that, guys, they did cut the rates, and slowly that will start to take shape on the market. I think the market will start to go with what the fundamentals actually released, as we know that now we know very well that the rates are still going to go lower, which means slowly the dollar is going to lose the momentum and the other pairs will start to do what? Start to gain. Sometimes when we have these signals, the market might take time to take shape there, but at the end of the day, the market will still continue to go even lower. So we had a proper downtrend structure, you can see around this area. And yeah, I'm expecting it to continue to go even lower. It might not really be that quick, but I'm still expecting to see a continuation of that sell. Simple as that. So let's push to the next one. Remember, it's still Monday. We have to relax a little bit, don't fight the market. So DXY dollar index, what's really happening on the market? This shows us the strength of the dollar. Yes, we're coming from a very proper uptrend. We had a very nice breakout. So now it means that the market is about to do what? To show us that no, we are still continuing to go on that downtrend, but not very quick. The market still does its thing, still respecting some technical analysis. We have this nice ranging structure. The market is just doing its things. Maybe from this area, it's where we'll start to see a nice bounce here. Maybe the market might touch this resistance. Then from there, we will see the market maybe continuing to go lower. So this happens almost every time. You can see here. So I'm also expecting the same thing here. I hope that makes sense. If that makes sense, and if you are not subscribed, please smash that subscribe button. Smashing that subscribe button, it doesn't really mean that you're gonna see my videos every day. It's just that you just subscribe for the sake of subscribing, for the sake of growing the channel. You're not losing anything, by the way. So yeah, if you subscribe, thank you very much. Thank you very much. If you did not really subscribe, yeah, also thank you. Maybe one day you will subscribe. So now what's really happening on Gbpusd? We can easily see that, you know what, the market is actually on a very nice bullish structure. The market has been going, oh, sorry. The market has been actually going up very smooth, by the way. We can see here we had this aggressive push, but now here the market seems to be breaking out of that resistance. I'm expecting to see the market continuing going higher, but it seems like the market is trying to reverse. But at the end of the day, I'm still expecting to see the market going even higher. I hope maybe you see that. If it reverses, it means maybe this support area, it will be respected again. Then something like that might actually happen. Yes, we are still on that bullish move and we still expect to buy. I hope that makes sense. So now we are on gold, precious metal. What's happening? Most of the pairs, guys, are going against the dollar. We can see them going even higher. So also the gold, it's also doing the same thing. The market, it's still breaking some resistance areas. We broke out of this area. So now I will be expecting to see the market going lower, maybe playing around before going even higher. Overall structure, we are still on a very nice uptrend structure. So the market on Friday tried to do what? Tried to actually break our resistance, went up, but now it seems like the market is trying to reverse. So which means the market is trying to give us a clue that, you know what, guys, so this is going to be a potential resistance. So I will wait for the market to touch my previous resistance there, then we can have a proper buy if the market will be respecting that. Or maybe the market might even go even lower to respect this area. We have a lot of these areas, maybe this or maybe this area, but one of that. But as we are on an uptrend, this will be the first option that we're going to use. And once the market bounces back away from that support, that will show us that, yeah, we are on that nice bullish structure. I hope that makes sense. Let's push to the next one, which is US30. So since last week we've been here, the market has been going higher, but it seems like the market it's now struggling to push even higher. As we can see that the market, the overall structure, it is still on that nice bullish move or uptrend structure, but we have this area 1 2 3 days struggling to break out of that. So there is a chance for the market to continue breaking out, or maybe the market might try to reverse here. Then we can have another proper buy, because we expect the market to continue with this uptrend structure. But one way or another, the market has to create some reversals along the way, and it seems like here it's where the market is getting that resistance. But if we break out, obviously we will try to look for that buy. Simple as that. I hope that makes sense. So let's push to the next one, which is Nasdaq. Nasdaq is been playing around, but at the end of the day, we still expect the market to do what? To keep going higher. Guys, we still have that special for $59. I'm just trying to remind everyone. So you're saving a lot, because this is lifetime. You join once, then you're done. And you can see our lifetime actually from next week, Monday, it's going to be $99. But you can get that for $69. Actually, for 6 months, you get this $59. You get the package with $59. So you're saving like $40 actually. So yeah, you will let me know if you want to be part of the team. So at the moment, I'm expecting maybe the market to reach this level. You see that around 20,800, or let's say between 20,600 and maybe around 20.8 there. So which means along the way, the market might do its thing, but at the end of the day, we will reach this area. That is actually the highest level that we have at the moment. And I think, or I'm expecting to see the market continuing even further. I'm expecting that maybe November, December there, will be going towards that. But at the moment, I think this one is good on 4 hours time frame. Let's try to change that. So the market is trying to actually show us that it's respecting at this level of resistance. So at least I think the market will be trying to reverse to this point. Maybe then the market might go even higher, or maybe the market might might break this resistance area, because we can see that the market is creating something. Actually, the market moves like this. You see that? So even here, the market might move like that before we see that breakout. You see? So we're expecting to get something along the way. So we're just relaxing at the moment. So we will participate on the market once the market reaches the support. But if it's around here, we just have to relax. We are not forced to just to play around, right? So yeah, that's what we have for today, guys. That's what we have for today. Let me check US oil. I think maybe there's something good happening there. Anything? Is there anything good happening on US oil? Let's see. Seems like nope. We don't really have much, but the overall structure. Let's see on a daily time frame. What do we have on a daily time frame? What do we have? So on the daily time frame, structure still very nice, quite similar to our 4 hours time frame. So we can easily see that, yeah, the market is still on that downtrend structure, but it seems like we reached this level there. Only just mark that previous resistance. Maybe this market might respect that and the market might go lower, or maybe the market is willing to reach that outer resistance before we see a proper sell, or maybe the market might end up getting out. So I think the best way is to place those notifications. Once the market crosses here, you will know that it's about time to continue on that sell, or maybe the market is not coming back around this level. So there are so many things that you can do so that you don't really miss this nice trade. So but anyways, I think for today, guys, everything is enough. I will see you actually tomorrow. So yeah, thank you very much. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. I'll see you on the next one.